Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Yes, I started lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. Yes, we completed exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, and we completed exercise 4. But last main, I told you should only do, I did one sum, I think so. Fourth main, find the missing digits. Yes, no, children? So those who are done now, just I'll write it on the board. Just you check it. Everyone writing your homework, children, in 200 pages horizontal max book. We are completed. Those who are not completed, please sit and complete the homework. Classwork, it will come in PDF. Okay, children, all the subjects, Max, English, EVS, Kannada, Hindi. It will come in PDF. Okay, children, but we'll give homework on the board only. So what we give at last, homework, you should write in homework book. What we do the sums from the beginning, that you should write in rough notebook, just practice, okay? So textbook part and all, you write in textbook max. Other, which is not there space to do the sums, you should practice it rough book. So open page number 116, 116. Yes, first sum I did, 9, 3, 5, 4, 6, 9. Yes, no, so I'll go for second sum. Yes, I told you to do this. I told last class I'll give one sum. So this, which is been left last class, I did only one sum. I told you should try this sum. I told only one sum I'll give, other 4 you should do. So today I'll do it. You check whether your answer is correct or not. 7 it is here. So how much you should write here? How much you should write here? 7. First sum. 7 minus 3. 7 fingers. Cut 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 4. Check now. 4 plus 3. 3 afters. See, I told you always 3 afters. 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to 7 if you count, your answer you will get 4. 2 minus answer is 1. In 2, if your answer is 1, in the box also 1 only. So see here, 2 minus 1, answer is 1. Here 7 it is there. Here 1 it is there. What you have to do? 7, here 1. So what you have to do, see here, you should write 7 plus 1, 8. If you do addition, subtraction and difference, if you do this, you'll get the answer here because you have 7 fingers. Here 1 it is there. If you join that, you will get, see, 8 minus 7, you will get only 1. So here 8 it is there, here 4 it is there. So here 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Your answer is 4. Here I told you should do. Otherwise you can do here also. See 7. 1 is there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you count up to 7, see here you will get answer 8. See here. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 fingers I have counted. So you will get answer 8. 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus, how much you should write? 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to 7 I have counted. Your answer is 4. Your answer is correct. Did you? I think you all have done in the textbook. So if you are done, if it is correct, just leave it. If you are done wrong, just erase and do it. Okay. See, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. You should count that. Okay. This one after, you should count up to 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 fingers. So you got 8. Now here, 7 it is here. Here, 2 it is there. Yes, no, children? Which sum I have copied? 7, here 2. 2 after up to 7. 7 fingers should come. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 7 fingers. So, answer is 9. See here. Here 7 it is. Yes. Cut now. 9 fingers. Cut 7 fingers. 2. Answer is 2. Here 3 fingers. If your answer is 2, remaining is 1. Now how you did this, no? 3 after C. How much you should write here? Here 3 plus 5. 3 plus 2 plus 3, it's 5. This also, if here 2 number is there, if you do this addition, subtrahend and difference, if you do addition, you will get minimum answer. If this and this is there, you should minus. See here. Here, if this and this 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2, remaining is 3. Here, see 3 fingers. Answer if you cut, remaining is 1. If here and this minimum, subtrahend and difference is same, you should do addition. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. 2. Now 9 fingers, cut 7 fingers. Answer is 2, like that. Now 5, here 2 is a 5, cut 2 fingers, 3. Yes, whether you have written correctly, check it. The last 2 sums, okay? The last 2 sums. Here you got all the answers. Yes, no children? 4. Here 1. 4 plus 1, 5. This is subtraction. Now you do 5. Cut 4 fingers. Remaining is 1. Here 4. Here 3. In 4 fingers, if 3 is answer, what the question will be? 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Now we have 4. What you should write? 5, 6, 7. Up to 7 if you count. Here 3. 7 minus 3. Answer is 4. Now we are 3, 5. What your answer you'll get? 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8 minus 3, 5. So you should do count and you should do properly. Okay. See here 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Here also 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 3. 6 minus 0, 0. Here 6 it is there, here 2. If this 2 you do means you should do addition I told. 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 2. Answer is 6. Now here 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3. Answer is 6. Now you cut. See 9 minus 6. Answer is 3. Let's check it from your textbook. Yes, shall I rub the board? Did you copy? Yes, subtraction with regrouping. So you should borrow, I told no. Subtract 1, subtract 10, subtract hundreds. So I told how to borrow and you should write from which place. So we'll go for exercise 5. Exercise 5, first main. Exercise 5, first main. Open page number 117. You can write direct answer in the textbook. Your place is there when you cut and write. When you borrow, when you cut, place is there. So write it here only. Okay. I'll do first 3 sums. 4, 6, 7, 8 sums are there. I'll do 4. 9, 6, 5, 8, 6. 8, 7, 5, 3, 4. Yes, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. This is 10,000. So 5-digit subtraction I have given. 6 minus 8. If you open 6 fingers, can you cut 8? Now what you have to do? You should borrow. So from which number you will borrow from 9? No, you should borrow from before number ones. If you want to count, borrow from tens place. Okay, so in 8, if you borrow 1, how much it will be? 7. So when you borrow, it will become 7. Here it will become 16. Put small one. When you cut and borrow, you should use pencil. When you write these questions, no, you should copy. See, this you have to copy in pen in the classwork. Okay, children? When you write it in the classwork, this you have to copy. Don't write now in classwork. This is practice book. When you practice also, just copy this in the pen. This, when you cut and you should borrow, no, that you should use pencil. Answer you should write in pen. See, I cut 8, I took 1. So it will become 7. Here it will become 1, 6, 16. You are having 16 fingers? No. What you have to do? After 8. 8 afterwards, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, how many fingers are there? 8 fingers. So, check your answer is this. 8 plus 8, 16. Okay. Now, 7 minus 7, 7, cut 7, 0. You should not borrow. When this is the least number and here it is greater means you can cut and write. Here both same means it will become 0. If it is less here, you have to borrow. See now 5 minus 5, if you borrow, it will become 15. Can you cut? No, what you have to do? If 5 minus 5, it is 0. 6 minus 3, 3. 9 minus 4, 9 fingers, cut 4 fingers, remaining is 5. See, check now, 4 afterwards, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 I count means answer you got 53,008. Okay. So, this also write up ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 2 minus 1, 1. If 2 finger is there, cut 1 finger, answer is 1. Here 0, 6. You write 6 here? No children. If here number and below if it is 0, you have to write. Because if here 6 and here 0 means if you borrow also it becomes 6, 16 only. You can't cut 0. If here 0, above if it is 0, you have to borrow. If in 3 if I borrow 1, it will become 2. Here it will become 10. Okay, 10. So in 10 you can cut 6. Yes, no? In 10 fingers you can cut 6. Answer is 4. Now count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So correct. 4 I got. 2 minus 4 you can't cut. What you have to do? You should borrow from tens. 100, thousands. Sorry, you should borrow from thousands place. So here if it is 4, if I take 1, it will become 3. So it will become 12. See, it will become 12. You are having 12 fingers. No, what you have to do after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your answer is 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Now here 3 it is there, 5. You can't cut. So you have to borrow in 8 fingers. If I borrow 1, it will become 7. Here it will become 13. Okay. See, you can understand, no? I have left so much space and I wrote. See, here it will become 13. 13 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So your answer is 8. Here 7 minus 3. 7, 1, 2, 3. Answer is 4. 48,841. Yes, copy in your textbook. Shall I wrap? You should not do direct answer. Okay, children? You have to cut and you should borrow also. Okay, the last two sums I'll do. I did A, B, C, D, E, F. You have to do. G and H I'll do. G, H. Other sums you have to do. Okay. Yes, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. That also same. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. You have to write straight. Now 0 minus 5. What you have to do, you should borrow. If I cut 1, if I borrow here, it will become 0. Yes. Here only one number it is there. So 1 I took for here, for 1's place. So this it become 10 and in 10's place, this 1 has become 0. So 10 minus 5. So answer is 5. Now 0 minus 9. Will you write 9 here? No, here 10. 0 is there. If you borrow, it will become 10. Here, if I borrow, it will become 7. It will become 10. See 1, 0, 10. So in 8, 1 I borrowed means 7 fingers. So I written 7. 10 minus 9, 1. 10 fingers. Cut 9 fingers. Answer is 1. 7 minus 7, 0. 3. Cut 1 finger. 2. 6. Cut 2 fingers. 4. See. 6 fingers. Cut 1, 2. Answer is 4. 42,015. Okay. Now 5 minus 7, 5 fingers, cut 7 fingers. Now what you have to do? You should borrow. If I borrow 1 here, it will become 4 minus 1, 3. You should not write your own number. Here 4, I borrowed 1. See, I took 1. So answer will be 3. So now we have 15. No 15 fingers. After 7, 8, up to 15 only I have to count. Up to 15. 7 after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you got answer 8. How many fingers you will open? No, that much only I have to write. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got 8. I have written 8. Here 3. Cut 4 fingers. No, what you should do? You should borrow from hundreds now place. See here. 1 I took here. It will become 2. I cut 3. It become 2. So 13. Here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 9 fingers. Here 2. 2 minus 9. No, what you should do? Borrow. Here it will become 5. Here it becomes 12. See, I written so near. Space also is there. See, children. See. In which place I have to write? I have written like that only. Okay. See here? Yes, no? So in this place, now 5 is there. Here it becomes 12. 9 afterwards, 10, 11, 12. I got 3. Now we have 5, 8. No, what you should do? Borrow. It becomes 0. It becomes 1. See, you may think, oh, last one number I'll write like that only. No. I borrowed here from 10,000. I took 1 for thousands place. So it becomes 15. So here it becomes 0. So it ends up. So here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got answer 7. Here it is 0. So you may write or don't write. Okay. See here, your answer is 7,398. Is copied last G sum and H sum. Other third, fourth and fifth you have to do. Right. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes, now this you can't write directly in the textbook. Second main, exercise 5, second main, page number 118. You can't write directly, children. So the question is, first one, 2,35,685 minus 1,01,015. So you have to copy here. See here, 2,35,000 and 165. See 5, 1, this 0, 1, 0, 1. Subtraction minus. See, write in vertical form and subtract. They are given in horizontal form. Second main, first one, see heading. Write in vertical form and subtract. Subtract means minus. So they are given in horizontal form. I have written in vertical form. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Here, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits number are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, not 7 digits. It is 6 digits. Okay, children? So 5 minus 5, this is first sum. 5 minus 5, same. What number I have to write? 5, if you cut 5, it is 0. Here 8 minus 1, open your 8 fingers, cut 1 finger, it becomes 7. Now, here 6 it is there, here 0 it is there. I should borrow here. If I borrow also, it will become 16. In 16, can you cut 0? No. So, if it is 0 here and the number below, if it is 6, I can borrow here. So, it will become 10. So, down you should not borrow. Only above number. If 0 it is here, you can borrow or less number. Here 6 minus 0. So, I write 6 only. 5 minus 1, 4. Here 3 minus 0, 3 only. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, comma, 1 lakh, 34,670. Here, how many sums are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 sums are. So, in 10 sums, 5 sums I do, other 5 sums you should practice, children. So, second one we'll do, okay? I'll copy the sum directly, 1,32,871. 26,321. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Here 6-digit number, here 5-digit number. So you should write properly. See here 1 below, I did not write anything. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. Minus means you should cut fingers. 8 minus 3, 5. Here 2 it is there, here 6 it is there. You can't cut. What you have to do, you should borrow. Here 2. Because 3, if I take 1 for 2, thousands place, it will become 12. Here it becomes 2. Here it becomes 20,000. Here it becomes 12,000. See here, 12 minus 6. 12 fingers, it is not there. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6. Here 2 minus 2. You may think, oh, last sum ma'am borrowed. We'll borrow. No. Here 2 minus 2. So it is 0. This one number you should write. If here it was 1, I would have borrowed. Yes, no children. If same number means it is 0. So I did not borrow here. So this one I will written straight. See. 1,06,550. Let's copy down. C1, C and D I'll do, okay. C, 7,89,641, 54,733. When you write only, when you read that, write the numbers properly. Fourth, D sum, this is D sum. 8,19,742, 2,34,875 minus. Here also minus. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 1 minus 3. What you have to do? Borrow from tens place. See, in tens place 4 it is there. If I borrow 1 here, it becomes 3. See here, cut in pencil children. So it becomes 11. 1, 1, 11. So whatever you borrow, write the number little small in the pencil. So 1, 1, 11. 3 afterwards, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 fingers. How many fingers? 8 fingers are there. So write 8. Here 3 minus 3, 3. Cut fingers 3, 0. Here 6 it is there. You can't cut 7. So what I should do? Borrow. If I borrow 1, 9 becomes 8. Because 9 fingers, I'll borrow 1. It becomes 8 here. Here it becomes 16. 7 after S. After 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Up to 16 one day I have to count. Your answer is 9. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 5, 3. Here no number, so I'll write direct number 7. So 7,34,908. Your answer is 7,34,908. Yes, this is C sum. This is D sum. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 2 minus 5. No. Borrow here. It becomes 12. Here it becomes 3. Because in 4, if I borrow 1, it becomes 3. Here it becomes 12. 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 fingers. 3 minus 7. Borrow 1. Not near 4. Because here 3 it is there. Don't do the mistake here. If it borrow 1, you should not put here 14. We have cut this 4, 3. 13, here it becomes 6. So 13 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6. 6 minus 8, no. Borrow 1, 16. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 1 minus 3, borrow 1, it becomes 7. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to 11 only I have counted 8. 7 minus 2, 5. 5,84,867. Yes, copy down this too. Now, other 6 sums you have to do, children. It's very easy only. Okay. Yes, maths homework. Take out your maths homework. Tables. Yes, your tables is 12 ones are 2 times. Only 12 ones I have given because you have to line. 2 to 9 you are learning from first standard. UKG also you learn second, third. So 12 ones are 2 times. And lesson number 1. Lesson number 1. Exercise 6. Exercise 6. Page number 102. Exercise 6. Page number 102. First main and second main. One time. One time it's enough, children. First main and second main. First main, write the greatest and the smallest number using all digits. I did 2 sums for you. So, using the digits, what number is there? For small, start from the small, but don't begin from the 0. If smallest number means 1. So, 1, 0 you can start. Greatest number means from 9. So, what number it is there? Start from that. Here, second main, write the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number using the given digits. You can repeat the digits. Here, 2 digits they have given, second main, 3 digits, 4 digits. But you have to write 5 digits. If here 9, 8, 7, if I give, smallest means you can start 7 2 times, 3 times. After this 2 number you have to copy. If greatest means write 9 3 times. After this 2, so it becomes 5 digits. Okay, children, it becomes 5 digits. So write 1 time only, it's enough. Complete, write the homework. Classwork, I think it came. So if it comes, complete your classwork. And what I'm giving homework on the board, complete everything. Write in blue gel pen. All the classwork you should write in blue gel pen only, classwork and homework. Complete, bring for correction when we send the message. Okay, children? Thank you. Here I'll end my class. Thank you.